Hello, it's Shanae, and I want to talk today about what we're going to be covering in week 4 of the workshop Passion in the Pandemic, 6 weeks to deeper intimacy and connection. So week 4 is our skills related to building erotic energy, and I've been talking about building erotic energy from the very, very beginning. But I want to give you an example. So rather than me talking, I want to just give you a little bit of a practice of you beginning to be able to feel what energy feels like. This is really an important element of building erotic energy. So I'm going to invite you all just to rub your hands together. You might want to close your eyes. Rub your hands together till you feel a ton of heat. And then I want you to separate your hands about 6 to 8 inches apart and place your attention and intention into the center of the palms of both of your hands. And imagine that you were holding like a Nerf football so that there's like a ball between your hands. And just put your attention in that what seems like empty space. One thing about energy that you're going to learn is that energy actually follows intention. Now I'm going to invite you to start to slowly move your hands apart from each other and just notice what you're feeling. Notice if you're feeling any sensations in your hands, in your palms, in your fingertips, and notice if you're feeling even any resistance as you try moving your hands apart. And now begin to move your hands together. And again, just notice sensations that you're feeling. And once again, notice if you're feeling resistance, almost as if like there is something in between your hands and it's harder to move them together. And then you can open your eyes. So what you were noticing, if you felt sensation either in your palms or in your fingers, or if you felt resistance, you were actually noticing energy. We are made out of energy. Quantum physics plays a big part here. There is energy all around us. It surrounds us. And what you were experiencing was what it feels like, and it's subtle, to feel energy. Why this is important in terms of building erotic energy and creating a dynamic long-term sexual relationship is that I'm going to teach you how you can use that energy and actually connect with your partner's energy. Now, sometimes it takes a little while for this to happen. Some people everybody can feel energy, but sometimes it takes time for more. Some people it takes longer. If you were feeling sensation in your fingers, in your hands, or if you felt the resistance, imagine what that would feel like if you were feeling that same energy with another person, because it's pretty intense. And what if you took that energy, that intensity, and started to touch your partner's body? Maybe not even touching their skin, because contact actually breaks the energy, but sort of touching all around them and starting to notice and feel the intensity of the energy rising up between you. This is a really great part of building erotic energy. And it's a skill that most people don't have and most people don't teach it. It is one of the tantric practices, or one of the things that we do in Tantra, but it doesn't have to be tantric. So in week 4, building erotic energy, you're going to work with your partner on feeling the erotic energy between each other just through your hands, whether we're touching or just touching the energy body. As well as a lot of other ways in which we're going to be building up erotic energy between you and your partner. Week 4, Passion in the Pandemic. Again, hoping that you will join us for the whole 6-week program. But if you can't, please choose the modules that work for your schedule and that you are interested in participating in. Any questions, please just reach out to me. Bye.